Hey, welcome back to the channel for another video. All right, so who's been here? You want that perfect overhead shot, but instead, you're wrestling around a pile of metal like a medieval knight gearing up for battle. Yeah, me too. But the madness ends today. So recently I got a message from a company that I actually like. And it's a brand that you've seen here on the channel quite a few times. That brand, Neewer. Now, they were nice enough to give me the opportunity to showcase one of their products, and soon after, I received this Neewer NK002 overhead camera rig. All right, so full transparency before I go any further. Neewer isn't paying me. They didn't script the video. They just sent me the rig and said, hey, have fun. So everything that I say here is 100% my opinion. If I hate it, you'll know. If I love it, well, then prepare for excessive gushing. Now, if you've seen any of my videos that featured an overhead shot, well, then you know that my overhead shots were iffy at best. Crooked, shaky, and honestly, a nightmare to set up. My main C-stand already holds my camera, my light, my monitor, basically everything but my will to live. And if I wanted an overhead shot, well, that meant bringing in another C-stand, maybe two, and a couple of light stands to go with it. Basically, the room became a jungle gym. Then this guy comes in, boom, clamps right down, extends up to 48 inches high and 48 inches across. It's made of aluminum alloy and holds up to 11 pounds, which honestly, I think is a very conservative number. But numbers aside, is it worth it? And does it work? Well, this entire video filmed on the Neewer NK002. And check it out, no wobble, no shake. My camera's solid and the overhead shots, mwah, chef's kiss. But other than filming top-down shots or talking head videos, what other uses can I get out of it? Well, if you do live streams, this rig is perfect to mount right to your desk and easily mount all your gear and just go live in seconds. Also for photography, if you work mainly from your tabletop while shooting product photos, well, this rig works great as a backdrop frame, as well as an easy flat lays camera rig. And as I was setting it up for this video, I had another thought, which I haven't tried yet, but it's 100% gonna be a thing. And that's using its top-down feature to digitize some of my old film. But that's gonna be another video for another day. But in the short amount of time that I've been using it, it's already saved me hours in setup time and inspired me to shoot more top-down videos as well as stock photos. My daughter, who's already a pretty good artist, wants to use it for her top-down drawing videos. So in my house, it's already gonna get a ton of use. And I'm not gonna just stop at basic uses, no. I'm gonna experiment with this thing and see what else that I can come up with. So who is this for, really? Well, if you do YouTube, Instagram, live streams, photography, unboxings, overhead cooking videos, basically anything that requires either a top-down view or a permanent camera setup, this thing's a no-brainer. It saves time, it saves space, and it sparks creativity. So, as expected, Neewer knocked it out of the park once again. Now, I've been a huge fan of Neewer's products for quite some time, so it was a no-brainer that I went ahead and joined their affiliate program as well. So if you want to grab one of these, make sure you use the link down in my description. It helps me and the channel to keep videos like this coming. So there it is, folks, the Neewer NK002 overhead camera rig. It officially has my personal stamp of approval. So what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. What weird, out-of-the-box ways would you use this rig? Best idea wins bragging rights. So that's gonna do it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell to be notified of future videos. Also, hit up my website, jeff-gresham.com, to grab my Lightroom preset pack that features 13 presets that I designed to use on all my photo projects. And until next time, get out and shoot, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.